In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix destination folder access denied. You need permission to perform this action error. So first thing you're going to do is go to this PC and then right click and then go to properties. Actually go to this disk, local disk C, right click and then go to properties. And then you want to go to security, and here you're going to go to edit and then add. And then you want to go to advanced, find now you're gonna choose your user. So normally you would find your username here, just find it here and just select it. So after you select it, you're gonna basically, so let's say for example it's this one, I'll select it and then I would click OK, and then I would click OK. After that I would click the username, so this is the one that I chose. I would choose full control and then apply and then OK, and then I would do the same thing, so apply and OK. And this hopefully should fix your issue. If it did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.